Question 56. The liver. The liver is situated in the right hypochondriac and epigastric area. It has a right and left lobe, a diaphragmatic surface, and a visceral surface, and has an anterior-inferior border. It is an accessory organ of digestive system. The liver is covered by a peritoneum and connected to the diaphragm, anterior abdominal wall, and stomach and duodenum by peritoneal folds that are called, firstly you have falciform ligament containing round ligament, or ligamentum teres. This connects the diaphragmatic surface to the anterior abdominal wall. The diaphragmatic surface is connected to the diaphragm by coronary ligament and right and left triangular ligaments. The coronary ligaments, they border the bare area that are connected directly to the diaphragm by fibrous tissue. Now the visceral surface is connected to the stomach and duodenum by a lesser omentum. Here you have lesser omentum. It has two parts. A hepatogastric ligament between the liver and stomach, and hepatoduodenal ligament between the liver and duodenum. The hepatoduodenal ligament contains the bile duct, the portal vein, and hepatic artery. Now the relations of the liver. The diaphragmatic surface is related to the diaphragm, which separates us from the heart and the lungs. Here we have diaphragm. And this would be where the bare area of liver would be attached. The visceral surface is related to esophagus, stomach, duodenum, right colic flexure, right kidney, and right suprarenal gland. This makes impressions on the liver. You have esophagus makes esophageal impression here. The stomach makes gastric impression. The duodenum makes a duodenal impression here. The right colic flexure makes a colic impression. The right kidney makes a renal impression, and the right suprarenal gland makes a suprarenal impression here. Now this visceral surface also is marked by fissure for ligamentum venosum here, a groove for inferior vena cava. This is inferior vena cava, so it lies in groove for vena cava. Fissure for ligamentum teres. Here you have ligamentum teres, also called round ligament of liver. Lastly, we have fossa of gallbladder. This is the gallbladder. It lies in the fossa of gallbladder. This is porta hepatis that separates the visceral surface is divided into a quadrate lobe, left lobe, right lobe, and a caudate lobe, caudate quadrate lobe. So the porta hepatis separates the caudate and quadrate lobe and contains portal vein, hepatic artery, and nervous plexus, hepatic ducts right and left, and lymph vessels.